Yeah, good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yusuf Kamaldin, and this is the segment of my YouTube channel, the Trade Trends episode, where I come to analyze and give you the potential opportunities in the forex market. So let's kick off with the AUD USD. So let's start from the weekly time frame. Actually, I've discussed about this in the last Trade Trends episode. We can just go to check over. So what's happening? This is the overall direction of the market is pointing down. You can see that this is the market is currently playing a Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame, which is yet to complete the 100% retracement, which signifies that we are pointing down, and you can see that the markets rejected this resistance level then, and we are going over to test the support level, the 0.600, which is also a psychological level. It is a very powerful level. So that's it on the weekly time frame. If you want an in-depth um, analysis on the bigger time frame, like the monthly and the weekly, you should check the last three trends episode. I'm going to link the link right below. So what was happening on the daily time frame? It is pretty much the same thing. So there was the market is selling, and the market is currently retracement. So if I should put my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you can see that the market is currently testing the 0.618 and the 0.5 level, as you can see, guys. So how are we going to the monthly that has told us that it is pointing down, the same with the weekly and the same with the daily. So how can we profit from this now? So let's key over to the um to the 4 hours time frame. Actually, I drew a counter trend line, and the market has broken through our counter trend line. I wasn't paying close attention to this trade. If I was paying close attention to it, I would have short the market, right? So what will be our potential targets now will be our potential targets now. I'll just have to delete this. I don't like to have too much on my chart. So our potential target will be this 100% retracement. So how can we do it? Currently, what is holding this market? See, it is this support level. Yeah, you can see that it is a very powerful level. Our market has tested it a couple of times before. One, two, almost all the time that the market passed through it, it has tested it. So what we just have to do now, guys, is that we have to go to the 4 hours time frame to look for potential selling opportunities. As you can see that the market broke through our counter trend line, which it has. If you should know what the counter trend line really means, is that the trend is about to change. That is the uptrend that we are going. This uptrend has changed. Immediately the market broke through it right there. So the market came back here. I actually missed this trade. I was supposed to sell from here. I was supposed to sell from here, but I don't know, I was busy doing stuff. So that made me to miss this trade. So what actually happened was that the market came back to retest, which is also like the third touch of the trend line on this zone here. You guys, I think this market is actually forming something like a range, and in ranging, if you are trading ranging markets, if the market should test this resistance level and bounces back, then it is going to test the support level. So we will now be waiting for whether to break above any of this. But since we've done our analysis on the higher time frame, and the market has confirmed to us that it is pointing down, it is going down. So then we'll be looking for selling opportunities. So what will be triggering my sell trade right now is because of the bounce off of this resistance level with a bearish engulfing candle. You guys can see with a bearish engulfing candle, and this is also a third touch of the trend line. Although I'm not in this trade yet, and the only way this market can be selling is that if you should it can be buying is that if you should break this this resistance level and also this trend line, but to our surprise the market is bouncing off it. So how can we enter the market from here? So you can see I will just everything has confirmed to us and it is pointing down that I'm going down. So what we just have to do is to draw, like there's also an immediate trend in an overall trend. So the market is going up in an immediate trend on the lower time frame right now. So the market is going down. So if we should just go over to the lower time frame and draw our counter trend line, so the market can notify us when it is done trending upward on the lower time frame, then we can enter for our sell trade. So to for a good um explanation, so let me go over to the 1 hour time frame. Although I don't usually go over to time frame like this, but it is what it is. This is the opportunity that we have, and if you should ask me, this is about 1 to 5 days to reward. If the market should break through the only so guys, what we just have to do is to be patient, because the market can go over and break this trend line. But the only reason when it can confirm to us that this is what I want to do is when the market should break this counter trend line. Then on the 2 hours time frame, a solid 2 hours time frame breaking this counter trend line, then we'll be selling this market. So that will give us about like 1 to 5 days to reward. So if we should risk two percent of this trade, will be making about 3%, which is very decent if you should ask me, because we are not only making 3%. If the market should come here and the market broke through this support level, as you guys know that we've done our analysis on the higher time frame, and it is telling us that it still has a lot of potential to the downside. So then if the market should break through it, then we'll be selling right down. So that's it for AUD USD. We'll be waiting for a 2 hours candle close. So let's go over to the Euro USD. Actually, I analyzed the Euro USD in our last trade trends episode. I won't be going over it much. So what I will just have to do is I'll just have to explain to you that I'm in this trade. So if you want to know about the full analysis on Euro USD, you should check the last trade trends episode. So we are currently in drawdown in this trade, but it is what it is. You guys know that there is a lot in the market, the fundamentals, so which is driving the markets. So there is a lot. That's why the market is happening this way. So what we just have to do is just to be patient and sit on our hands. It is what it is. So if the market should go in our direction, good. We still have a lot of opportunities to the downside. If the market should take our stop loss, it is what it is. In this market, you cannot be sure of everything. So that's it on Euro USD. We just have to wait. We'll be patient. But I'm having a strong selling bias on this trade. That's it for Euro USD. Let's go over to um NCD USD. So what's happening on? I've not actually analyzed NCD USD before. So let's go over to the monthly time frame. I actually don't like going on monthly time frame, because the way these things are I'll just have to zoom my charts. So what's happening on was it is most likely the same thing. You guys know I like to use my Fibonacci to vary a lot because it is very, very powerful. So if I should use my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, what's happening? You can see that we are right in the 0.50 um level, and the market has rejected from it, and also the market bounces off our resistance level. And in one thing about this, if you are trading on higher time frame, if the market should bounce off of your resistance level, trust me, it is going to the next support level before anything. So that's it for NCD USD on the monthly time frame. Let's go over to the weekly time frame and see what's going on. So on the weekly time frame, the similar thing is happening. It is more or less like a Fibonacci playing out inside the Fibonacci. So if I should place my Fibonacci to from here, you guys know that we've analyzed and we've seen that our next target is 0.5600 on the NCD-USD. So how can we look for potential trend inside the overall trend? Because so let me put my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low. So it is not on it. So I will properly check. Let me change it to the market is currently paying us for 0.86 0.786, which is also a powerful, very powerful level in the market. You guys can see it is right on that spot. It is also a very powerful level, just that market don't actually turn around really like that on 0.786, but it is a powerful level too. So that's what's happening on it. Let me put it back because I don't like having too much on my chart, which it can actually cause distraction, and I don't really use that 0.786 level a lot since market don't really turn around there. It is the golden zone, the two golden zone is 0.618 and 0.5. So that's it. You guys can see what the market is currently doing now is currently testing the 0.5 level. So how can we profit off that? So let's go over to the what's it called? Let's go over to the daily time frame and see what's going on the daily time frame. So you guys say I drew my counter trend line to confirm that we finished our the the buying trade the buying trend in the selling trend, like the immediate trend of all the overall trend, just to make sure. And the market broke through it, and I was trading this market actually. And but the good thing is that I've marked out this level, so immediately the market broke and formed a double bottom here. I was out of the market, so I was able to make decent amount of money. So that's it. And the market is right at this zone here. So what do we do? What we just have to do is to wait for a daily candle, on a daily bearish engulfing candle on NCD-USD. Then we'll be selling the market, which will give us about 2.4 close to reward. It is very nice. And the good thing is that this is a very long term trade. We will still find another buying opportunities in this trade. So if the market should break through this level here, the market might come to retest on it, or we can find some supply levels that we can use supply levels that we can use to enter the market with smaller stop loss and big targets. Then we can compound all our profits and make a lot of profit. So that's it on NCD-USD. Let me go over two more pair. Actually, what I want to discuss about GPB JPY was in our last trade trends episode, we forecast that the market is going to hit the 0.200.00. The market was around there, and we predict that the market is going to hit this 200.00 level, and the market did just that. So if you are a lower time frame trader like the day trader, I believe, and you see this in the last trade trend episode, I believe you should have made a lot of money from this trade. So that's it on GPP JPY. So what's happening on gold? Actually, I've stayed off gold for a very long time now, but I think gold is seems very juicy now. So what I will probably explain better in the next today's episode what's happening on gold. So I'm just waiting for gold to break this neckline, then we'll sell to this demand level. I will explain better in the next 10th episode. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so and turn on the um, notification bell so you can get to see the videos like this, and you can place the potential trades that I give before the market moves. Because some people they get to see the video about maybe like days or weeks after after doing this analysis. So, but if you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, then you see my new videos that comes up. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye for now.